So I'm almost certain this is not where that goes. It should be right there. I guess the real question is, do you think you're gonna throw up? I mean, you just can't make this kind of stuff up.
I said we're still moving faster than the settlers did in their wagons.
Oh, barely. Gotta point it down a little bit.
I don't want to go sliding off the damn road either.
Oh, look, point it down, point it down. Oh. This is quite possibly the worst idea we've ever had.
Oh, I think it might be.
Was that it for chicken?
Well, we got to go check out the chicken cafe.
Oh, look at that, Ken.
Follow the captain. I'll let you.
Check out the cinnamon roll.
It's a big one. Is that yours or?
It's just mine. It's for me only.
Okay.
Y'all have to get your own.
All right. Or Barb. So the plan for today, guys, is driving. We have left the Alcan Highway in Whitehorse and headed north towards Dawson City. And we are on the Klondike Highway, which I will say is a bit rougher than the Alcan. I think it's a little bit slower drive, and it is a little bit, you got to be more attentive to what you're doing, because the frost heaves and the potholes and everything are way worse on this highway than the Alcan. But alas, we have seen no bears and no mooses, no meese,
No goats.
but not today anyway. We have seen, I want to see a grizzly bear. I want to see a grizzly bear.
Well, we are in grizzly country now.
Yeah. So the milepost says caution, watch out for grizzly bears. But the road is definitely a lot rougher. We got about 200 miles to drive today. See, till we get to Dawson City. We got some business to attend to in Dawson City. That's coming up. You don't want to miss that. We're spending one night in Dawson City. Tomorrow when we get up, we're going to load this on the George Ferry and ferry across the Yukon River.
That is probably the most exciting and adventurous thing we have ever done in our RV. Have you done anything crazy like that?
Yeah,
I mean, we thought the riverbed camping was pretty crazy.
But we are definitely remote. Like, super remote. Well, it's raining, having trailer brake issues. The cinnamon roll was good. Lots of bridges being repaired. Unfortunately, that means we get to drive over at the little junior bridge. Not sketchy at all. This is perfect. So another issue we had this morning, went to hook up, of course, and the jack was dead. Worked when we parked, didn't work this morning, so tried the manual crank, wouldn't do anything at all except for click. So had to jack it up with I carried to change tires and stuff, a bottle jack stand combo, and unfortunately that's the tool I've used the most on this trip so far. So we got the jack issue, the trailer brake. So I thought that the problem with the brakes were going to be a bad spot that I had pinched in this wire years ago. and it had an open place in the wire that I had taped up. So I cut that out yesterday and reconnected everything with new connections, and that didn't do it. So I think possibly it's either the ground on the trailer chassis or it has something to do with the plug there on the truck. I don't think that it's in the wiring going back to the brakes, but I could be wrong. So all in all, we got some issues, but we're moving along with it, doing the best we can, still having a great time. We are at this beautiful lookout here at the Five Finger Rapids Recreation Site in the Yukon. I can't believe we're in the Yukon. So we're gonna park up here for the night, spend the night, and then get on down to Dawson City tomorrow. And we got some good stuff going on there, so that should be a lot of fun. So this is a gas bar, convenience store, post office, motel, bank, and laundry.
Jail.
Probably. Well, the only place around was stuff. I don't know how many people live in Pelly Crossing, but well, yeah, this is like the store for the whole town. See, this is what I'm talking about. We are in, I don't know, Pelly Crossing in the Yukon. What are we doing? Perusing the we're at the grocery store. This is what we do when we go somewhere new. We go to the grocery store, yeah. Oh, these coolers are loud.
Give her a shot.
Don't pass me. That's what we're gonna call it. Puking in the Yukon. Yeah. Yep. Choking on the toe.
I have to do this. I'll do this just for you. You know that, right?
Nah.
Yes. No. Yes. The answer is yes.
Yes.
So this is Dawson City.
It's so cool.
The streets are dirt.
They are. And there's boardwalks.
And there's a boardwalk. I feel so official. Up on the boardwalk. Get your
dog hair.
Yeah, get your dog hair off of there so you look good for the video, sucking on that human toe.
You are eating this up, aren't you? You won't be.
So if you don't know, there's a sourtoe here at the Downtown Hotel in Dawson City. The tradition was started a long time ago, where some miners put a frostbitten toe in a jar of alcohol to keep it. And now thousands of people come to do the sourtoe cocktail, in which you shoot a shot of liquor with a frostbitten human toe in it, and it has to touch the lips. It's actually a $500 fine if you swallow the toe. And yes, it has happened. So Ken is gonna do it.
How this works is your full name and where you're from, and then whatever alcohol you want. So to do it, it has to be 40% or higher. So you can choose anything here. The traditional is the Yukon Jack, but it can be anything on the bar 40% or more.
Okay.
So if you just fill that out, and you can ignore this section, and it comes to $10 plus the price of alcohol.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, sit on down there, big boy.
Okay. You can do this, Kenneth.
Okay, I'm gonna
Ken's
try it.
I'll let you read through here for a sec.
Look at that, Ken.
Follow the captain.
Oh yeah? Right on.
All right, Kenneth.
Okay,
Are you all set?
I guess.
Okay, you can do this.
Oh, you got it, Ken.
You can drink it fast, you can drink it slow, but your lips must touch this nasty toe. Not your teeth, not your tongue, and certainly not your tonsils. Cheers, Kenneth.
right,
Slam
buddy.
it on back. It has to hit your lips to be a member.
Make a like a high, make a like a ho, make a like a honey ho.
Oh, all the way back, buddy. All the way back.
Oh, it was good.
Look.
He's sitting there. Is the man. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
there
gave me
you
your
go.
fist bump.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
You're very welcome.
Oh my God.
How about this?
Oh my goodness.
This is,
I was kind of curious if we were going to fit.
Yeah.
We did.
yeah, we did. All right, so we've all crossed the George Ferry and we're driving again today. But today we are driving top of the world highway on our way back to cross the border into the United States today and head on to Chicken, Alaska. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty much dirt, kind of packed, but it's pretty smooth actually. It's not a maintained road, but it is a lot smoother than the Klondike so far.
Definitely smoother than the Klondike.
There's the border way over there. Check it out. Holy smokes. Look at this. All right, border's coming up, so here we go. Let's see how it goes.
How you doing?
Hello there, sir.
See, I called that in there.
Bets, huh?
Big truck, big camper.
Georgia plate. Echo Victor Echo 205. Where you guys headed?
Fairbanks, then around to Denali and Anchorage. And,
Any firewood?
no, sir.
Firearms?
No, sir.
Stop with the sir.
All right.
All set.
Hey, thank you guys.
They traveling with you?
They are. They're friends of ours.
Standing citizens? Or?
They are, but you can give them.
Mess with them.
Oh, God, God, please.
Oh my gosh.
You don't know how awesome that will be.
Made our day. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Oh, Ken's gonna die. Well, here it is. Holy smokes. Welcome to Alaska. It's been a long ride to get here, folks. It has been a long ride for sure.
Yeah, because he said I had firearms.
Yes, and that's what he said. Step, sir, I need you to step out the vehicle.
Oh. There you go. Good old US of A.
Good old US of A.
Mel's a little afraid of heights. So that sure is high. Oh, that's not a good one.
Oh, dude.
Chicken, Alaska. God, these mosquitoes are crazy. About as big as that chicken over there. Whew. That's pay dirt, baby. Yeah. Yeah, you can probably, I guess it's probably the same, $10.
Get you some pay dirt?
And you go over there and you pay them.
And you pay to play in the dirt.
Pretty much. It's pay in dirt, yep.
For selling chicken.
It could be a big generator. What do you think, Barry?
Might be. It's the big old town of Chicken. I'll tell you what it could be. I know what it is. It's the collective hum of all the mosquito wings.
Whew. That's probably true.
Look at that. That's not bad for an impromptu 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. This is where we're spending the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July, guys. We finished the Top of the World Highway today. A couple of things to say about that. Make sure you got spare tires, things to change them with. Make sure your suspension is tight and good to go. Make sure you're ready to handle some minor things. Your GPS is going to tell you 60 miles here, hour and a half, 2 hours. Trust me, it's going to take you about double or 3 times. We did like 80 to 100 miles the day before yesterday, and it took us about 6.5 hours because there's a lot of areas that you just cannot go over like 3, 4, 5 miles an hour. You just can't do it. Not hauling a RV or anything like that. So you want to make sure you take your time. I'll say that it is absolutely, the scenery is breathtaking. You're not going to regret seeing it. But like I said, give yourself the time to go. We stopped at Chicken, spent the night there. Saw some cool stuff in town there, an old dredge. Pretty amazing to look at that equipment and think about what they did with it and how it used to operate. We are here now just north of Tok, Alaska. We're going to go down and see the water, spend the night, and then head to Fairbanks tomorrow or the day after and spend a week there. There's a lot planned coming up for Fairbanks, so make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and yeah, so until next time, take care of each other,
Love each other.
make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys.